Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making apple crumble and vanilla custard. I'm going to start with apple crumble. The ingredients we will need for apple crumble are some unsalted butter, golden sugar or brown sugar, plain flour, custard sugar, lemon zest, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 4 apples. I'm using Fuji and golden, cut into cubes, transfer the cubed apples in a pan on a medium heat. To that, add the lemon zest, lemon juice and 100 grams of sugar. Let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now I will prepare the crumble by mixing together butter, sugar and flour. Pulse it for a few minutes and it will form a grainy texture. I have transferred the apple in a baking dish and I am sprinkling the crumble which we had prepared earlier. I am going to bake this at 325 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until it is golden brown on the top. For the vanilla custard, I need 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 4 large yolks or 5 medium ones, 3 tablespoons sugar and 6 ml of milk and some vanilla extract. If you think the custard has lumps in it, pass it through a sieve.
If you like this video, subscribe and like this channel. Thank you!